Hi.
I will show you how to display a progress bar within a notification. Open the file pubspec. We need to install the package permission handler.
Go to Installing tab.
Copy this line. Paste it here. Also, we need to install the package Flutter local notification. Copy this line. Paste it. Go to this website to download a bell icon. I'm using these dimensions 512 by 512. I already downloaded it. The link is right below if you want to use the same. Now, open the folder Android.
App.
src.
Main.
Res. Drawable. Drag your image within the folder drawable. Create a new folder within the folder lib. Give it a name. Create another new folder. Create a new file within the folder Services. Create a new file within the folder Pages. Go to README tab. Click on Initialization. We need to follow these instructions. In my case, I'm only using Android settings. The word icon notification is the image's name that you already dragged within the folder drawable. I wrapped the code in a method cause I will call it on the main file. Like I said before, I'm using only Android settings. If you need to use iOS or any other settings, read the documentation and follow the instructions. Go to Displaying a notification. Starting in Android 8.0, all notifications must be assigned to a channel or they don't appear. Paste the code on the same file service. I wrapped it in a method cause I will call it later several times. We need to add some properties like max progress, and among others. The method show is going to display the notification. For more details, you can read the rest of the documentation. Now, on the file homepage, paste the following code. Import the necessary libraries. First of all, create a stateless widget. I need a button to display the notification. When the user clicks the button, I need to check the permissions. We get the current permission status. If the permission status is permanently denied, there's only one way to change it, but it's up to the user. Go to Documentation of the Package Permission Handler. Go to README tab. The user has to enable it in the system settings. You can use this line to open system settings. In my case, I won't do it. I'm going to display an alert with a message to warn the user. And return false. If the permission status is not granted, the app is going to request the properly permission to the user. Return a Boolean cause we want to know if the permission status is granted. Only if the permission status is granted, the app is going to display the notification. I'm using a loop that updates the progress of a notification from 0% to 100% in increments of 10, with a delay of 1 second between each update.
Go to the main file.
Paste this code and import property the library. Widgets Flutter binding ensures that the Flutter framework is fully initialized before running the app or calling asynchronous operations like init notification. Delete this code and type your stateless widget's name. I will disable the debug banner cause I don't need it. I'm going to run the app on a real device. The repository is on GitHub. All the links you're going to need are right below. Don't forget to subscribe.